morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome back, Island Tribe, Island family, Wagwan.
Wagwan, I know.
We got the driver here.
Yeah, man.
It is the 8th of January.
Yeah.
And we're going for a ride. We've got some extra exciting news, but we're not going to share that with you guys until next month.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, so I'm wondering how all your guys' New Year is going so far. Hopefully good. Our New Year is going good. Obviously we've got some exciting news for next month to share with you. And we have little baby Bobo here, which is no longer a baby, are you? Uh-huh. What are you eating? Chippies, yeah. Uh-huh. Healthy chippies, I hope. Yeah. So yeah, we're going for a ride, and so it's Sunday here, and yeah, we just
Look like it's about to rain if you look up at it there.
Yeah, sure it does. It looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah. And I don't know if everyone's seen in the news of lately, there was like a helicopter crash here in Australia just after the New Year's, and yeah, quite sad. You know, a lot of people lost their lives, so yeah.
2 helicopters collided to each other.
Yeah, so if you know anybody watching us and they have family that was in that accident, our condolences are to you guys, and I hope that you know you find the strength and the courage to get through this time. I know it's hard, and yeah, it's 50 here, babe. Write down, because that will snap. Anyhow, yeah guys, so yeah, anyhow, so we're just gonna go for a ride today up the coast, and there's a place that we want to go to, but I'm not too sure yet. We'll just wait and see when we get a bit closer. We're still a little bit far away from the coast, so hope everyone's enjoying their weekend.
Yeah, man.
And their first weekend of New Year's. Is it the first weekend, would you say?
Yeah, over a weekend now.
Over a week now.
Mommy. In our second week, you know.
Yeah.
Or the second week.
Yeah. Yes, Island. Oh, look, give everyone a kiss. Oh, you're such a sweet boy, Island. Yeah. And Island's been training for soccer, haven't you, Island?
Soccer.
Yeah, he's been training for football.
Big ball of boy, huh?
Yeah.
No, kick the ball.
Yeah, kick the ball. See, guys, he's talking more and more.
I can kick the ball.
Yeah.
I can kick a ball.
Yeah, he can kick a ball, and he's super talented. He's, you know, he's onto it. So yeah, you know, they got to start young. So yeah, we can't wait for him to actually start playing games. We'll be in at the field every Saturday. Mum and Dad cheering on Island on the sidelines.
Yeah.
My gosh. Yeah. And coming up is our 2 years wedding anniversary, guys.
Within the next week. Well,
Within
8
pretty
days.
much, yeah, 8 more days.
Another week. So, and yeah, we don't know what we got planned, but hopefully we can get a babysitter and we may be able to go out for dinner or something.
Yeah.
You know, but not a big deal. We'll just have dinner at home. You know, cook something fancy, maybe some lobster or crab or whatever.
True.
We're not really like fussy like that. Like we have to go away and things. Plus, we have something exciting for next month, which I think will make up for our anniversary anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys will all wait and see. I can't wait to show you. or tell you and show you, but yeah. Am I sharing too much now? Nah, okay. Yeah, guys, so one love to you all. Also want to say we've been reading your messages, you know, Happy New Year's and everything, and I know we haven't had time to reply back. You know, we live very busy lifestyles, and I'm sure that you all too as well. But just know that we thank you very much for your lovely messages and encouragement words for 2023.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Yeah,
definitely.
for sure. Anyways, guys, we're going to do car karaoke as well. That was another thing we're going to do. So, but we just don't know, like, the camera won't sit unless I hold it like this, and then we can sing along. Or Babe can sing. Anyhow. So, anything else you'd like to add to our conversation this morning with our YouTubers?
Nothing, anything off the top of my brain as yet.
Oh, I have a question. How do you all like Babe's song that he's got on his channel? If you haven't gone over there, go and check it out. It's not
It's more like a freestyle.
mixed, it's just a freestyle. But he definitely has that song. It's coming up. Don't know where he's going to release it, but I need you guys to encourage him to be strong and continue his music journey, because he's a very talented artist, and I know that he can make it. Everyone else seems to make it, and I'm sure 100% hands down he's very talented and he can make it too.
Yeah.
You know, you live the dream if that's what you want to do. Like Freelance Chucky says. Oh, well, you know, don't ever think he'll ever watch us, but you know.
Nothing is impossible.
Yeah, big up yourself, Freelance Chucky, if you're watching. Oh gosh. Yeah, as you all know, Freelance Chucky says live the dream, living the dream. Yeah, but Freelance Way, I don't know about Freelance Way, but anyhow, whatevs. We're not throwing shades, alright? We're not throwing shades. Yes. Where? Hold what? The camera? Why? You sit back and put your straps on your shoulders.
No.
Sit back. Come on. Where are your straps, mister?
No, I'm on it.
Island?
No, I'm on it.
Okay. He wants to hold the camera, guys, so I'm going to let him do it, okay? Here.
La 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 la. Da 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 da. La la la. Bo ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba.
Yeah, it's got an old GoPro. You can
La 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 la. Ba 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 ba. Da. La 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 la. La la
What are you
la.
doing there, Island? Hey, pardon you. Excuse me. Talk to everyone. Talk to everyone on YouTube. Say, hi guys. my
Hi,
name's
guys.
Ian."
Have a lazy tea.
Tell them what you like to do. I like to play with cars. What else do I like to do? I like to read books. I like to give mummy trouble and daddy trouble.
Mama, so Pakita. La la bless.
So guys, we decided not to go too far out because we were kind of like going too far out already. And keep going straight, babe. And so yeah, so that's what we're doing now. We're not going to go too far. because yeah, I'm tired and just gonna get our shopping and then get going back home because yeah, we're a bit far from home now. So yeah, I think we're at the Gold Coast, somewhere in the Gold Coast, Mermaid Waters I believe.